Hello everyone, let's try to continue our workout. We create this table, but it needs the text. Let's go with calm. I know I write it wrong, but I need some point. You can always spell check it if you want from here. Okay, then we copy this text and paste it here, and here we paste row and row. Let's put some number here, for example 1 2 3. Okay, now we need to select the table design here, and from the here to layout we select all of them to be center. You see, it's just working for this thing because we need to select all of them and then we mid-size them. It don't work. Let's go one by one. Do this. The center it. If you search here, you will find something that do the work for all of them, but we are just going to do everything by ourselves. If you guess we have some problem, let me just do the thing for all of them. I want to tell you something. After doing that for all of them, it's good. Okay. You see here, when we want to place them mid, they are not going to do that because you need to do these things from here. Select the text and select the text, because the problem here is that it's not just a simple text. It has an id space that we don't need. Let me delete them. Here also we forget to centralize it. Okay, now everything is in the center. We need to set the font. We select this. We can select the row from here. Now remember, I can select the row. Okay, from here, after selecting it, we are going to be bold. And for the font, we have some font. We are going to use sans serif. Let me just copy that. Select here, font. Okay, it's good. And here also, it's good. And here also we put sans serif. Everything is created in the perfect way, but it has something we need to change and modify them. When we are going to design them, draw a table, you see that some of it, when we are going to draw here, you see some of them don't have the border you need. We need to create them. How we can create them? We can go here and set the all borders. When we select this thing, all border, this thing, all border. But the problem is that we don't need all border for this thing. We need the white thing. We can erase it easily. If we can't erase it like this, you can erase it by selecting here and set no border, then easily bottom, left and right border. You create this, but we need this white border, not non-border. How we can create this? We can draw a border here, and after that we select this thing and change the color, for example, to this thing, and then the color to white. It needs to reduce in size. Okay, this is it, and we need also to color this thing white. But you maybe guess we have some differences here. This is the first table. We are going to create another table in the next lesson. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then.